Hello viewers, I am Dr. Shaileshkumar Garge. Today we will see few of the questions which patient has asked in our YouTube. We'll try to see and answer their questions. So another patient asked, the Lion King me, he asked, does varicocele have any effect on penis size? So varicocele usually causes, the symptoms of varicocele are pain, swelling, you see the dilated tortuous veins around the scrotum region, and you have this discomfort in the scrotum region, radiating in the groin and laterally going up, and even along the upper thigh region if it's the pain is severe. The other symptoms of the varicocele are it has erectile dysfunction problems, and even if it affects the sperm's quality and quantity. So sperm related, hormone related, and the pressure related symptoms because of the swelling vein. So usually it doesn't affect directly the penile size. So penile size will remain as whatever the size it was, but maybe because you are not getting a regular erection once the varicocele has reached to severe grade, so erection problems are coming. So if you are not getting proper erection, you feel or assume that the penis size has slightly shrunken, but that is not the case. So usually the varicocele doesn't affect the penis size. I hope I could answer your question. If you have any questions relating to the ED or the varicocele, please put them in the comment box. I'll be happy to read them and answer them in our next video. Thank you.